Hello, today we are going to look at one of the ways I like to welcome my students and give them some important information. And I do this by recording an audio message and placing it in the news feed. So to begin, we're going to click the down arrow in our news widget, and then we're going to click New News Item. So this brings up our HTML editor, and we're going to give our new news item a headline. So I'm going to entitle this audio welcome, and then I would just paste some content, giving a brief explanation of what the students are about to hear. Next, we're going to scroll down to attachments, and we're going to click on record audio. So this is going to launch the audio recorder. And once you're satisfied with the recording, you want to go ahead and give it a title. So I'm going to name this Audio Welcome, and we're going to click Add, and that's going to add the attachment to the new news file. Then we want to click on Publish, and that's going to publish our news item in the news widget along with our audio attachment that we've just recorded. Don't forget to do a quality check.